What's good, everybody? Welcome back to another video. As you can see, I'm back out here doing testing. Still trying for that 3.2 with these tires. If you're not a stranger to the channel, you would recognize this body, and it's been around for a while. And actually, guys, October coming will be 3 years that I actually do this whole RC stuff. So thanks for those who have been subscribing so far. So yeah, we're going to be doing some pulls. As usual, I have the 132 feet marked out. Don't know if you can see the cones down the track, but yeah, so stay tuned. Let's get right into it. I was making some nice straight passes, guys. And all thanks to some time and dedication in the suspension area. Lot of torque there, but we're dealing with it. So let's see what the time is. Okay, I have 3.6. Alright, let's go again. Let's see. 3.5. So not bad. I think maybe the battery is warming up and giving us a little bit better improvement, especially right down in the middle there. As you can see, the power band comes right up. The power band comes right up and it goes back down. But that's basically when we're finished through the track anyways. So let's let it cool down and then we'll do some more. Okay, 3.5 flat. So, and one of the greatest thing about that is that the car is turned all the way back down. And I just wanted to see if the body itself would make a difference. So last video I made, the previous video was on 7 degrees timing. Now it's on, I think it's just maybe 3 degrees timing, with a little bit more punch. But as you can see down here, the G's are better. The mile per hour is whatever, but the ET is actually going down. So let's do another one. New personal best, guys. And maybe I might leave it just right there for today. But now I'm just kidding. I'm gonna try again. But this is really good to see and really good to get. So let's see, let's let it cool down and then do another one. Okay, 3.4. So basically the tune that I or you could say the changes that I made off camera kind of brought the time down. But I'm definitely proud of making a new PB with let me see if I can go back into it here. With the previous run, I'm going to record it. And there's a lot more improvement to be made. There's better bearings I can put inside of the car to see if I can get the tires to spin a bit more freer, so I can improve. Trust me, those things do actually make a difference, guys. And then maybe add a light prep to the tires to see what will happen there. A lot of people are in foams, but to be honest, guys, I really love the rubber tires. I just love the sound, I just love the whole works of it and all. So stay tuned, like, share and subscribe, and trust me, guys, we'll be lowering the time even lower the next time you see me come back out. So stay tuned.